Drone City started as a book series showcasing the incredible innovations in the drone industry through fantastical solar punk stories. When we were invited to do STEM workshops in schools, everything changed. For our very first workshop, a teacher told us ahead of time that there was a student and they were likely going to be disruptive and cause issues. And to their complete shock, this student was completely engaged and participated throughout the entire 55-minute lesson. They had never seen that happen before. This story has repeated itself in every single workshop that we have done since. Stories like these are why we are so passionate about transforming STEM education with our bespoke approach, and we're calling it innovative education. At Drone City, we have developed a unique educational approach to both STEM and careers education, and it is transforming classrooms in 4 key ways. Firstly, we have hands-on team-building activities in every single lesson that we do. We take the theory that students learn in maths, science, and English and bring it to life through hands-on coding, engineering, piloting, and design activities using our educational drone kits. Our hands-on kits significantly increase student engagement. Second, real-world applications. Drones are becoming more and more a part of our everyday lives, from firefighting, agriculture, medical delivery, and coastal safety. Drones are transforming how we approach various challenges in society. Drones are also vital in combating climate change by collecting plastic in our oceans, planting trees, and surveying wind turbines. Thirdly, in our innovative STEM education curriculum and programs, we use storytelling, both fiction and nonfiction, to help us envision a positive future for both our students and the world. Through story, we teach that with creativity, perseverance, and teamwork, dreams turn into reality every single day. Finally, we end every single lesson with a short, inspirational talk. We remind students that they have the power to shape their future and the future of the world. Every problem has a solution. We just need to combine our strengths to find it together. When students are able to see and understand the purpose of their lessons and practically apply them in hands-on activities, research shows that their behavior improves. Their grades go up, their SATs go up, their GCSEs go up. And this is why we are so eager to introduce our unique offerings to the education sector through our innovative STEM education. At Drone City, we are not just teaching STEM, we are empowering the next generation of problem solvers, innovators, and leaders. Together, we can shape the future of education and the world. If you have any questions or are interested in partnering with us, you can visit our website at www.dronecity.io. There you can find our free educational resources, you can have the opportunity to book with us, or you can see our upcoming events. Alternatively, you can email us at contact@dronecity.io. Whichever way works best for you, we would love to connect. Don't forget, the sky isn't even the limit.